Alright guys, welcome back to the market season trading for today. And today I'm so happy how to trading pocket option and no indicator, and how to I trade and profitable every day, and uh, how I trade much time, and you will to learn from me, and much more if you can to follow this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video trading every day. Okay, let's jump up for the market payout, and I trade 1 minute candle. Let's get started. Okay, this is the market ABC in the upside, and can be slow, right? What is the market? I decide through this candle. mm, I see the market is the downtrend. The is the uptrend. Sorry, bro. It's the uptrend, and market try to push up, but it's so risky, man. It's high for enough reason, because of the market is not the losing trend, because why the market is losing trade? Because of the trend, and the markets can go push down right here, right? It's the best entry for me for this trading. It's not broke the ABC. This is my mistake, bro. If you're not clear about this market, and don't put 100% of uh, your balance, you must put uh, 60 or 30 of the 100 if you not clear the market. I double this. What happened to this market? You see the gold ABC to the upside, and broke previous swing from the upside. This can be rejected for this candle like this. Well, I know this market is going up like this. If I lose, my account is very lose my account, right? Okay, now the activate is going. Now I can uh, get 100 profit for me. Because I know this market is will going up because of the ABC break and confirm right, confirm for the uh, confirm for the gap, confirm for the gap, because This is the gap, bro. This is the gap. 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 This is the code entry. Gap down is the code entry for buy. Right? It's the gap up. It's designed for the sell. This gap up is designed for the sell. Okay, let's find another good setup. Today market is so very difficult for me, and I find good setup and I be carefully for the entry. Just broke like this. I will put all right here. What is didn't broke for support? Okay, I'm waiting for this market. This is the strength for the markets, and I'm waiting for the sell. Okay, I try to sell. If it go up, I will to put some more double this market. Let's go up like this. I will put some more. I put more for the sales trade. Today's market is so very difficult for me. Why I put this trade? Because this is the market's ranging market. Ranging market. Alright. Become the broke of the market and decide to push up is the good entry for me. Good entry for me. But my entry is so very bad me. It's so very bad. Yes, I will try to find a good setup more. This is my mistake, bro. Today market is so, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. But we try to clear the markets. This is the down lower low and broke and put right here. This is good sell for confirmation because of the broke previous swing. Try find another good setup. Now I lost that ball and I recovery for the okay. This is good and I double this one. I this is my enough for the trading. Today is a low. I will stop. This is the risk management for trading, bro. Why I put this? Why I put this because of the gap. Gap is confirmed for the SPY. Bro, this is a good entry or rejection some point. Alright. What time I lost and today I 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 win and 5 loss and let's go find another one or two go set up order. This is QM. This market is posed right here. Put like this. I will share because this is the QM. And you can alert from here. Now it's alert. Oh, I'm so late for this. If you go up, I will say. But I'm so late right here. I'm so late. Come up. One more step. Now we put. But this is late retest. I put two more. Why I put two more? Because this is the market's broken, and I put three more, right? So three more, and why I didn't put this? Because of the. Did you see? This is the market sequence uh, to green, and I hope this to green or rejection, right? Now activate for this candle. Now I can recover for my loss in trade, and now I'm profit. Be careful, bro. This the trading is very difficult industry for the find good money if you don't know the market. And be careful it's your low account or your low amount, and uh, risk management for 10 or 5% for your account a day, right? And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video trading like this, and peace out.